Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. We're going to talk about Shiba. We're going to give you an update in this video and go over everything that's going on with the kind of the current state of the union, the market, as well as the mark. Where was that? Going to give you a current market update as well as a Shiba update, as well as look at some of the major catalysts that are happening that are kind of all in play, as well as a big one that we're going to lead off in here in a minute, talking about some new pairs that have been added to Shiba Swap that are a big deal, and it shows a direct corollary to Shiba Swap just being adaptive and just growing and just going to continue to be this really cool thing. So before we get there, I got to let you guys know I have my Patreon group over here, so go check that out. There's a link below. You can check it out. I have a supporter level, inner circle level. At the inner circle level, you get access to my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm holding, what I'm selling, as well as you get early access to particular cryptos that I am looking at getting in, or early tips on hot cryptos that I'm seeing. And these are cryptos that most likely I usually don't even talk about on my YouTube channel. So if that's something that you care about, check that out. We've also got a Discord where we got a fantastic community over here that's growing, supporting. I've even got individuals in here dropping in crypto tips as well over here in the Discord group. So that's something that if you're interested, check that out in the description below. All right, so SHIB is not doing a heck of a lot right now, and it's directly related to this, guys. Again, I'm going to keep stating this. I realize that I say this kind of similar things, but again, my job as I sit in this chair is to keep you updated on all things SHIB, even when there's not a heck of a lot moving. But you do need to know that there are some catalysts, there are some things that are happening. The price point is not reflecting it right now. That's okay. I fully expect our price to start moving in the very near future. Okay. So let me find SHIB. It is right here. We've slipped a few places down to the 31st spot. Crypto.com has overtaken us a little bit there. We're down 0.57. We're trading at 7.6 and change. Volume is up 11%. If you look at kind of the 7-day, you can see that volume is gradually incrementally rising. 24-hour highs and lows, 7.6 to 7.99. Okay, so what is some of the things going on real quickly? Let's look at the chart. So again, we had kind of a sideways consolidation thing going on here, which was right there. We had a pretty major sell-off right there relative on this one, pretty big bump of a sell-off there for that, and now we maybe have established some levels. This is our support level. I'm not really expecting anything dramatically to happen outside of this. We've got to get major market conditions kind of moving in the right directions for SHIB to kind of continue to move with us, okay? So as far as catalysts that are out there, the big one that I really want to talk about, and I don't expect this to have a direct corollary movement. I'm not expecting any price movement, okay? I mentioned this last night in a video, but I wanted to lead with it in this video, is that for Shiba Swap, Satoshi made an announcement yesterday evening that after reviewing the initial analytics for Shiba Swap, the dev team and the other signers agreed to move forward with adding 3 new pairs to the Wolf list: ETH to USDT, Leash to Bone, SHIB to Bone. This is pretty darn cool. And we go on to talk about right here, Satoshi says, we believe these additional pairs will continue to build the incredible momentum behind Shiba Swap by incentivizing our ecosystem, widening our reach to external users, and providing more USDT liquidity, which will help Shiba Swap run smoothly with more and more rewards. That one sentence right there is really pretty darn cool if you think about it. It really is. It's awesome to see them being very proactive, positive, reacting to their market, coming out with these new pairs, and then stating very quickly that it's going to help build more momentum, incentivizing the ecosystem, and widening its reach to external users, and just providing more USDT liquidity. So these pairs will go live actually at 10 a.m. UTC right here, you can see. And right here, because he said it was 6 a.m. here, and then he came back and said, oh, correction, it was 10 a.m. But we're posting this advanced notice so you can be ready if you want to jump on one of these pools right away. The SHIB dev team will continue to work diligently to support our users and maintain a healthy balance for this. And then right here, somebody said, is there, he was replying to somebody, is there any possibility that this can be made for the mobile? I think that after it's 100% secure, it's going to attract many investors that are days and trips without a computer. So it could be coming to the mobile at some point, and soon, at some point in the near future. We'll see. I talked about this yesterday. that there's a lot of dialogue going on around Webull right now, and to my knowledge, you cannot. Yes, Shiba is visible on the Webull platform, but you cannot buy or sell it. Okay, and so just FYI on that. Unless somebody lets me know in the comments below, let me know in the comments below. Can you actually buy and sell SHIB if you have a Webull account? Please let me know in the comments below. If you have a Webull account, can you buy or sell SHIB? I do not have a Webull account. I have a crypto and a Coinbase account. So let me know. Please, somebody, I'm looking for clarification on that and confirmation of that, frankly. So somebody please let me know, and I know out of all of my users, somebody will. I'm assuming you know this. The CERTIC audit report is out. We had a fantastic assessment there. They had 34 findings, and you can see them right here. We had 8 major, 1 medium, 11 minor, and 14 info, and all of them are resolved except for 1. And there is that one is being worked on as well. So we're good there moving forward, and that is that. So it's pretty cool on that front. So let's go back over here and again look at this and talk about kind of the major catalysts that are out there. As I've said before, and I'm going to continue to say, Shiba Swap was not a catalyst that was going to really move the price point, period. Okay. Let's look real quickly. Let's see how much we had. 1.52. I've not refreshed this. Let's see what we've got in TVL now, as far as kind of lot TVL. So we're at 1.59, dropped just a little bit. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Yep. Bones risen to 563. This happens. That number's going to move around. Okay, no problem. So as far as, again, Shiba Swap really wasn't going to move the price point per se. Shiba Swap was a viability, credibility, check in the box. We have arrived. We are real. We are, all things like that. That's really what it was. Okay. And it was a signal that Shiba has become and evolved, become more than a community meme token. Okay. Now that we have our own exchange and things like that. Very cool, right? I also think that it was a signal to the major exchanges, Coinbase, Robinhood, etc. Again, we have arrived, we are viable, we are real, we're not a scam, and all of those kind of things. I think so. That's part of this as well. Okay. As far as the major exchanges, I personally believe that it's entirely possible that eToro and/or Webull will come first. eToro has been continuously teasing us. In fact, let's go right here. Let's go, and this is the classic. Don't break this rule. You don't do something that you haven't checked before. Okay, let's do eToro, eToro US, and let's see if they've even said anything. So usually, you don't do this. Like this was on CT watching the SHIB army on Twitter. Like, dear God, that's funny. Let's see. What will crypto disrupt that won't be around 10 years? That's pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. This is so funny. Call me Doge20 equals SHIB on CT. These are some great ones. Awesome. That's crazy. Anyway, my point is this. Doge is now the second most held crypto by users on US on eToro. Well, there you go. So I think that eToro is I love all the marketing stuff from eToro. Like these little videos they do, they're so funny and so they're awesome. My point to you is eToro has been teasing us, the SHIB army, if you will, with hey, we hear you, we're coming, it's like etc. So eToro may happen first, and/or Webull may happen first. Yes, we have the Coinbase Pro thing in the wings when we get clear. So when will Coinbase Pro get off of the sidelines and onboard us? Nothing has been said yet that I am aware of. And then when Coinbase Pro happens, then we move on to Coinbase.com and the app, right? And then Robinhood is most likely a distant fourth, although we could see a leapfrog situation here with Robinhood saying, hey, you know what, Coinbase, we're actually going to beat you. Robinhood has filed to do an IPO. They're going to go public, and that takes about a year or so for that process, give or take, depending upon where they're at in that process. And so they could be looking to do anything they can to really beef up profitability and revenues and things like that. So that could be coming as well. It could be a major catalyst in the Robinhood onboarding. of Shiba as well. So again, these are all things that are out there that are playing. Yes, I know there are things that we all really know, but we all talk about, but you always guys need to know kind of my take on them, because that's my job sitting in this seat, is to keep you aware. With all that said, guys, have a great day. I will see you. I will take it easy, and I hope you will take it easy. And we'll see you down the road. This has been your update. All right, I'll see you. Bye.